Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. So my husband has chronic back pain and he's always looking for different methods to help give him some relief. And recently we've been using this cordless heating decompression back belt from Goldmille, and we think it's just a really nice tool to have if you suffer from low back pain. So how it works is it has these air columns that when you connect the hand pump to the belt, it will inflate the belt and lengthen it by 2.8 inches, which will help to cover a larger area on your back. And as it inflates, these columns will start to harden, so it helps to take some of that pressure and that burden off of his bulging disc in his lower lumbar spine. He also likes the fact that this whole section heats up, and because this material is made from carbon fiber, it feels really soft against his skin. It has 3 different heat settings, from low, medium, and high. Plus, you can also put the heat on a timer, either 15, 25, or 40 minutes. So it comes with a USB cord to recharge the battery, and each charge can last up to a few hours based on the type of heat setting that you have it on. Plus, it also comes with an extension pad, which allows the belt to fit around a waist size of up to 49 inches. So he likes to wear this while he's working around the house to give him more of that lumbar support. But since the belt is really comfortable, he even wears it while watching TV. So you can wear this belt for however long you want, and then as soon as you're done using it, you just put it back in its little storage bag and you're good to go. So if you also have back pain just like my husband, try this belt out from Goldmille, but that's just my point of view.